Just a very quick one today. I boiled up some red cabbage for dinner, and the water from the cabbage was very blue, so I thought I'd do the little science experiment that you can do sometimes at home. So that is a little shot glass, and I've got some lemon juice. Okay, and if I take the top off the lemon juice, so the lemon juice is acid, and the blue colour of the cabbage juice is kind of an indicator. So if you put acid in it, it goes pink. Isn't that fun? You can do it in the washing up bowl as well, but it takes quite a lot of lemon juice and doesn't make a huge amount of effect. But there you go, a little bit of kitchen science.